Autonomous drones will revolutionize a number of industry verticals. But in order for cellular network operators to monetize these opportunities, they will have to exchange critical information about the digital airspace. With Airborne RF, we will then be the de facto standard for any data exchange between cellular networks and aviation systems. Scaling a new-to-the-world solution globally requires partnerships. So we are looking for global partnerships, such as with the Alaian consortium. We bring to the party our leading-edge technology and operational experience in working with cellular connected drones on 5G with more than 20 telecom operators worldwide.